Restructure is no stranger to both small moments of need and larger catastrophic events. We've been there before, during, and after a storm hits, and we're experienced in adapting based on each unique situation. We've always given the same level of care through our years of experience, no matter the scale of restoration needed. We're a proud member of this community and share each challenge with you. Your safety and future is our own. Roofing has been deemed essential by Dallas County, and we're following every precaution and guideline to ensure the safety of our staff and your family. That means contactless inspection, FaceTime and video conferencing and reports, and all paperwork done digital via DocuSign or email. Your health and safety is essential, and that includes the roof over your head. If your roof leaks, needs repair, or you need a new one, you can count on Restructure to be there for you.